Oh,
look at that.
This is pretty.
It's like, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 feet of stuff that's washed away through here.
That was cool. You look good there. I don't think you need four-wheel drive. It was pretty.
Yeah.
I like that. Look at that. That looks like a nice playground to go in. That's neat. Huh. One heck of a scenery, right? Look at all those trees. Wow.
Trees.
Yeah. Woo.
I wonder if those houses got wiped out.
Those guys are so lucky. Those cabins up in the ridge like that.
Alright.
Ah, look at this long downhill to sand, man. Woo. This is awesome. I'm pretty sure like on camera it's gonna look flat. Like everything I climb on my dirt bike channel, everything looks super flat too. But here is just, you kind of see the melted snow running downhill there. Pretty chilly out here too. Oh man, it's so beautiful. Look at that. It's just trails, it just goes on forever. And by the way, if you ever come out here, make sure you bring a spare tank, gas tank, because I'm telling you, there's tons of trails out here. Tons of them. Hey, can you make a left or a right? I don't even know where to go. Jeez, which way should we go? I don't know. Which way do you think? To the right? Ever been that way? Huh? It died. I'm trying to charge it right now. Let me see.